Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. Today we will be solving the inequality 4s plus 5 is greater than 9. We will go through the step-by-step process of solving this inequality and then express our solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. So let's get started. We begin with the inequality 4s plus 5 is greater than 9. Our goal in this step is to isolate the variable on one side of the inequality. To do this, we want to eliminate the constant term on the same side as the variable. Here, the constant term is 5. According to the rules of algebra, we can subtract the same number from both sides of the inequality without changing its direction. So we subtract 5 from both sides. The inequality 4s plus 5 becomes 4s plus 5 minus 5, which simplifies to 4s. On the other side, 9 becomes 9 minus 5, which simplifies to 4. Therefore, the expression after this transformation is 4s is greater than 4. The inequality is now 4s is greater than 4. In interval notation, we are looking for all values of s such that 4s is greater than 4. We will further simplify this inequality in the next steps, but we can already start thinking about its interval. The solution set will not include 4, as the inequality is strict and does not include equality. Therefore, for now, the interval starts just after the number 1. This concludes step 1, where we subtracted 5 from both sides to begin isolating the variable s. In step 2, we continue simplifying the inequality. 4s is greater than 4. Our objective is to isolate the variable s completely. Currently, s is being multiplied by 4. According to algebraic principles, dividing both sides of an inequality by the same positive number does not change the inequality's direction. Therefore, we will divide both sides of the inequality by 4 in order to isolate s. We start with the inequality 4s is greater than 4. We divide the left side by 4. 4s divided by 4 simplifies to s. We also divide the right side by 4. 4 divided by 4 simplifies to 1. Thus, the inequality now becomes s is greater than 1. The division does not reverse the inequality because we are dividing by a positive number. As a result, the direction of the inequality remains unchanged. Therefore, the simplified inequality is s is greater than 1. Next, we will express this solution using interval notation. We are looking for all values of s that are greater than 1. Since the inequality is strict, it does not include 1 itself. In interval notation, we describe this set of values as starting from 1 and extending to infinity. Since 1 is not included, we place an open marker before it. Values from 1 to infinity in interval notation is described as 1 to infinity. This is the final step in solving the inequality. So, the solution of the inequality 4s plus 5 is greater than 9. In inequality form is s is greater than 1. And in interval notation, the solution is 1 to infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.